Untuk mempercepat pengembangan ekosistem kendaraan listrik, PLN pun melakukan kajian ekonomi, teknologi, dan modal bisnis inovasi untuk memperluas infrastruktur SPKLU dan SPBKLU. Pengembangan ekosistem kendaraan listrik di Indonesia naik signifikan. Indonesia terus mendorong transformasi menuju era elektrifikasi akhir tahun 2022.
The development of electric vehicles in Indonesia is significantly scaled up, especially after Presidential Regulation No. 55 of 2019 on the acceleration of battery-based electric vehicle program. As one of the keys to energy transition and achieving the net zero emission 2060 target, PT PLN Persero answered the mandate from the government of Indonesia to scale up the electric vehicle ecosystem by expanding public vehicle charging station (SPKLU), public electric vehicle battery exchange station (SPBKLU), and home charging services. Indonesia continues to drive transformation toward the era of electrification. By the end of 2022, 580 SPKLU will operate across Indonesia. For electric motorcycle, PLN will gradually build 4,900 SPBKLU. E-mobility is the key unlock to decarbonizing the transport sector, decreasing dependency on import fossil-based fuels, effectively relocating the state budget to support the use of domestically produced energy, and achieving national energy sovereignty. Besides collaborating with stakeholders to accelerate the electric vehicle ecosystem, PLN also continues to conduct studies on technological, economic, and business model innovations to expand the SPKLU and SPBKLU infrastructure. The cost of using an electric vehicle is cheaper than an ICE vehicle. Therefore, charging infrastructure reliability for electric vehicles is critical to make it easier for people to switch to electric ones.
Untuk motor listrik ini satu baterainya jarak tempuhnya bisa 60 km, kecepatan maksimalnya 60 km per jam.
Kalau motor listrik kita cuma swipe doang.
Kalau dengan motor listrik ini, kalau menurut saya sih lebih efisien ya. Kita nggak pakai ngantri lagi ke SPBU.
Satu baterai full itu kalau kita rupiahkan itu di rumah kita cas 4-5 jam itu Rp1.800 sekitar itu.
PLN has also developed a one-stop EV solution in Super Apps PLN Mobile, integrated with a charging platform in the electric vehicle digital services feature to enable an easy and seamless experience in utilizing EV and charging solutions in Indonesia. BUMN untuk